Hey guys, what's going on? Alan here. You're watching the Gibson Garage YouTube channel. Sorry, I'm doing multiple things at once today. We're here with my friend Ian. He's got his Acura, it's an 06, right? 04 Acura TSX. And we've got some custom adjustable control arms for the rear that we're going to install. Now there's like 5 of them back here on each side, but there's only one with a ball joint. So that's the one we're replacing for now. And then we're also going to throw in some brakes and rotors, pads and rotors while we're in here. And it's already got upgraded front rotors, so we're just trying to match them up. Let's go ahead and get started by taking out this tire and see what we got. Okay, so this is the arm we're talking about here, the ball joint end, and the other end's back there. You got this crazy clip on this one, needs to pop out. I've never seen no clip like that. It's got to be factory. Alright, so now that we've got this clip out, this half wraps around the outside while one half goes through the center. You can put a 19 mil on that and bust it loose, which I've already done. And is that coming out? That's what the nut looks like. If yours has been replaced, you're probably going to want to find the factory nut, but because it looks like ours did not come with one, we're going to have to reuse it. Put a 17 on this side and a 14 mil on that side. We'll take that guy loose. And then I'm gonna have to take the sledgehammer to the knuckle right here. I should pop that loose. Okay, leave that back bolt in so there's pressure on it, and you know what? I'm gonna remove this ABS cord first so I don't accidentally smash it. There it goes. See it pop up there? I did. Now you can easily slip this bolt out with no load on it. There you go. Alright, so put the bolt in lining up the back there. Just a few spins on the adjuster bar got us to the best my eyeballs can do. So you can slap it in.
That'd be a lot funner drinking.
So slide this in, perfect fit so far, as far as spacing and all that goes. Then we can just push that. Boom. Use the nut. This goes in so fast. It's gonna be a short video, guys, sorry. No, but actually after this, the only thing left to do is just go get it double checked within an alignment shop. And something I did do is I did tighten this back nut down already because that was going to be hard to get to, but I left this front jam nut loose so this can swivel until I get this tightened. Then I'll tighten that jam nut. But that's it for changing an adjustable control arm in your probably any Honda Civic or Acura. Honda's 5-bolt knuckle and pattern, whatever. Just line it up so you can get another cotter pin in there. All tightened up, on to brake pads and rotors. And you start by grabbing a 14 and breaking apart caliper bracket bolts, because the bracket has to come off too. Gonna need a little bit of a socket for that one. We have the e-brake on. Might want to take the e-brake off. Do it for 20 more minutes now that you think it's okay.
Oh yeah. And then switch over to the other one for
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Got a little bit of a lip. Giving me lip. Goodness gracious. You could jump monster trucks off of that. So, the new rotors that he got are... Okay, hold on, cut. We got these stupid Honda screws. I gotta go find me a impact screwdriver. These are directional, and if I had to guess, I would have guessed it wrong, but it's okay. These screw holes will let you know which one is left and right. We can put these screws back in. Turn the little collar around on this and give it a slap so it tightens it in the other direction. And get the other one started. Now, you gotta go to the store and get yourself one of them caliper compressing tools, because this piston has to be screwed in. It can't just be pressed in with a C-clamp. Okay, so you get the tool installed in there like so. Find out which one of these million little pieces here fits in there. And pull up the slack. Give it a twist. Pull up the slack. Give it a twist. Pull up the slack. What? Oh my God. Well, there it is. New rotors, new upper control arms on both sides. I had a little bit of a problem with this side. The bolt in here is froze, the guide pin, it's frozen solid inside the bracket, so I gotta go find a new bracket somewhere. Hopefully there's one in town, but but that's gonna do it for today, for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the TRQ rotors and pads, and what you think about those Amazon control arms. There's no company name on them, right? They were just from Amazon. Where's the box? So here's the box. Red camber kit. Yeah, there's no brand name on the box.